Today I'm going to do full-blown maintenance on the Kawasaki Mule. I'm going to be changing all the fluid, filters, spark plugs, hoses, pretty much everything on the engine, transmission, front differential, shaft, cooling system. So let's get to it. And here I have all the parts I'm going to be using: engine oil, coolant, oil filter, spark plugs, clutch filter, air filter, fuel additive. This is just to clean the fuel system, and transmission and front differential fluids. So I'm going to start topping off the fuel tank and then adding some additive for fuel cleaning, fuel system cleaning. I'm just keeping an eye on the gauge. Full. Next I'm going to be adding Roger Purple. This is a fuel system cleaning and stabilizer, so this is going to clean all the carburetor inside, which is already clean, but I like to, every time I do a full maintenance, just to do a full tank treatment. So this gas tank has 6.4 gallons, and the instruction called for 8 ounces of Roger Purple, which is 250 milliliters. All right. So fuel treatment done. Next I'm going to install the fresh fuel filter and a fuel hose, because the one that came with the Mule was pretty rotted already. And just like that, install it in this end all the way. No filter down there and into the fuel pump. Next I'm going to change the air filter in the converter box. It has 2 butterfly nuts, super easy. So this is the air filter that came when I bought it. Oh wow, check this out. Pretty worn out. So I'm going to install a new one, fresh air filter. This one is the same for both sides. It doesn't matter what direction. Just like that. And this cover is a little bit tight, so then once you put it in, it's a little bit difficult to move it, to adjust the hole. So what I do is just guide it with the wing nut already installed. So just put a few turns in this one, still with the cover loose. Find the next hole right there. All right, and now you can press. All right, done. I'm gonna do the engine air filter. I'm gonna remove this cover, and yeah, this is the oil filter. Old versus new. And here the cover says top. So this hole has to go to the bottom, like that. All right. And one cool thing about the Kawasaki Mule air intake is that even though the air filter is down there, the air intake is up here. Very clever. It's not getting much dust. And the frame is where the air goes through. You can see here into the air filter, or through the air filter. Japanese know what they're doing. Before I close the bench, I'm going to put some grease in this connection. This is where the rear transmission goes into the front differential. And this is just regular grease, nothing fancy. Just like that. It's coming, you see it? There we go, good. Next, I'm going to change the fluid in the rear transmission, which is a 17 range. So the filling plug is easy to identify. It's the one with the yellow cap. The drain plug is right down, so you have to reach through this hole. You probably can see it better from over here. This is the plug itself right there. Either way, I'm going to replace it to be 100% sure that it's now fresh. Alright, I'm going to put the plug back in. There we go. Everything clean. There is a little bit of a metallic tint on the fluid. I think it was good to change it. This is going to require 2.6 quarts of fluid. One, two, and half a bottle. Perfect. Next thing is going to be changing the front differential oil. Front diff is obviously at the front, right there. This filling plug is 19 millimeters, and the drain plug right here is 17 millimeters. So I'm going to loosen up first the filling plug. To make sure I can fill it up after drain. Okay, good. Okay, next I'm gonna drain the oil. I don't know how long this oil has been here, but I don't know if the previous owner ever changed it. But because now it's mine, I'm just gonna refresh all the fluids. I'm gonna remove the filling plug so it can flow much better. Yeah, and it doesn't look too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna put the draining plug back in. So I'm using this hand pump where I'm gonna attach the bottle with the oil going through the front grill and into the filling hole. This is gonna be 0.4 liters or 0.4 quarts, which is the same. And there it is, full to the brim, which is the way it has to be. This is actually a super simple job. There we go. Some brake cleaner. Now I'm gonna top off the coolant. See how much I have. A little bit low. Let's bring it up to full. Full. So I'm going to start changing the oil. I'm going to be using 10W40 and 1.8 liters and I'm gonna put a new fresh filter. Oh wow, this is gonna be a little bit tight. And now just by hand. Oops. Alright, there we go. Do some cleaning around here. And this is the new filter. So there are a lot of things that I usually buy aftermarket. Filter is not one of them. I like always to have the OEM, especially in this case they are not much more expensive. Just hand tight. Alright, the oil is drained. Just cleaning around. Alright, there we go. 1.8 liters is all the way down to this mark. Perfect. Cool, let's crank the engine and go for a spin. Pretty smooth. Thank you for watching.